CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. Best believe it's your boy Oasis. I got two dope artists in studio with me today. I got my boy Nash K and Barley Ray. All the way from the CBD, so they originally from Cape Town. So let's find out what they know about Cape Town and how deep their roots go in Cape Town. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So let's start with you, Nash, bro. The length of your music career, how long would that be?
The length of my music career, I like to say the length of my hair. Because when I started the main industry, like actually when I woke up, skyscrapers and all.
Skyscrapers and
all. When I actually had the dream when I woke up and I was like, yo, I'm going to do this.
Yeah.
Full on. F everything else. Music is all I want to do. Music is what I'm going to pursue. That's when I started growing my dreadlocks. So yeah, that's the length of my career, right? It's funny.
The length of his career is the length of his hair. If you have dreadlocks out there, you now long thanks to the dreadlocks. I got other kind of hair. I just got it one time. Yeah. One time. Barley Ray, bro. So how did you connect with Nash after this whole my hair grew long, I'm a musician?
I actually started rapping at the same time as him. Yeah.
Where's you in
the whole influence. No, I didn't have the whole experience, you know what I mean? Nigga likes reggae too and Bob Marley, so I can see where it comes from. Like, yeah, dude, like boom bap, back in that day and age, we all used to rap together. So I used to rap with the boy, and that's how we met actually, like in town. Dude was also rapping, I was driving around in skateboards. Just all made sense that way. Yeah.
Just the connect was the real.
The connect
was like, yo, dude, you rap? Yeah. I was like, yeah, you rap too?
It was like yin and yang, man.
Yang, nights open. And how long have you guys been making music together?
Since 2009. Since 2009.
Yeah,
that's actually when we first time on stage together, like in front of proper fan, was 2001. 2009, yeah. Making it lit. Making it lit.
That's dope, bro. And like from 2009, was there any tapes dropped recently? In that period of time?
So I've been dropping a lot of tapes. One of my most viewed song is titled Heaven, featuring the one and only Barley Ray. My most viewed music video is the one titled Heaven, featuring Barley Ray. Most of my tapes, Barley Ray is on it, and the tracks that are featuring Barley Ray are the ones that are wavy.
Give them some of the tapes, drop some of the tapes.
Everything with Barley Ray is wavy.
Stone Age,
best believe, guys.
Stone Age Love. Oh my.
Type Barley Ray to Google, you can see the most waviest things. I'm gonna type Barley Ray.
Wave, drip,
and find some crazy shit.
Do that ASAP.
Nice, bro. Like I see as mad respect to you, bro. Like especially putting on.
Now, likewise, it's mutual, bro.
It's mutual. It's dope, bro. Now, since you guys have been so long in music together, bro, like what you take on the Cape Town scene and how the music is being pushed in Cape Town?
Music is growing, pushing, not pushing, but like they're growing, you know what I mean? Slowly but surely, people are getting to understand that we have to push each other in order to grow. But the vision's not yet being, put in. Like, slowly they are, that's the few, you know what I mean? But like, I like the hustle. I like the fact that we keep it strictly hip-hop. I like the fact that we respect the art, you know. I like the fact that there's a lot of loyal people that I know to the game, you know, the industry that I know personally, that have been about the game, still about the game, representing Cape Town, not leaving Cape Town, you know what I mean? And shout outs to y'all, man, respect to all those people, you know.
And to also answer your question on my side, I feel like, in terms of MCing and rapping, we're actually like pushing through finally, because all the other elements of hip-hop are already in Cape Town. So I like quite a few artists that's out there right now that is actually coming up. Bravo Lose.
Bravo.
Yeah, SLK.
You
know, there's some dope artists, you know what I mean? Yeah,
Ilroy,
dog, Shingy, Boy Rocker. There's some dope artists, bro. And of course, our leader of us all, dog, youngster.
Keep clever, bro.
Yeah, dog. Now there's movement, dude. There's movement.
It just takes the right people to
Randy D, you should mayor. Hip hop is out here. Designers too. We got fashion. You know, graffiti, b-boys. you know that there was this b-boy thing, the competition going on. South Africa represented.
Yeah, bro.
Cape Town.
It shows we are making
Mitch is playing.
Definitely
B-boy.
waves, bro.
Yeah, that's dope, bro. So it shows you that in Cape Town, bro, we're not sleeping.
Yeah.
It's just the rest of the world need to wake up and see what we're doing, bro.
Def.
So just another one before we go into maybe getting you performing a track with us.
Yeah.
What you guys think of the whole Lyric Lounge set, man? What do you think of how with the
I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Cozy.
From the time cozy. From the time I said intimate. From the time I set foot in here, I felt at home. You know, I got to actually relax, wink. And I love it, man. A lot of people should come through. Please do check out the vibe. Do come through, and you'll see there's many more besides just this that you guys can indulge.
And the hospitality, yo.
Don't forget the big glasses.
Don't forget the big glasses, though.
We're out here feeling like pimps.
Anyway, we just let the world know where they can find you, and then maybe, you know, they can search you up and then hit you up with your videos and
YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. My bad, I had the
Twitter.
No, just fuck. YouTube, Instagram, SoundCloud, Facebook. It's Nash_Cake. As you can see.
We will have his name. My production team is on fleek. We definitely gonna have that name there somewhere. We're gonna have it.
So that's me.
They're gonna have it. And you would find Paulie Ray same.
Yo, Paulie Ray, yeah, the same, everything. You can also find me on Instagram at pauliray.oo. That's OH, yeah, ooh.
OH.
Bro, I just want to take your hand and say shot for coming.
1,000.
1,000. I was having the words here, but it was just another level. Bro.
It's all love with me, man.
So now I'm going to let you just rip your track, perform it, and see what the world has to say about it. No.
Let's do this.
Yeah. Late night shopping, my swag is dripping, 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 dripping. Late night shopping, my swag is dripping, 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 dripping. Swagger, Nova, off the season. I'm dripping, 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 dripping. Casa Nova for no reason. I'm dripping, 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 dripping.
Mambo VB, I be got him dogs away. Oh yeah, hey, I be got him dogs away. Mambo VB, I be got him dogs away. Oh yeah, hey, I be got him dogs away. They been talking for a while now. Swagger dripping like Lucas. Dope boy Frank Lucas. Nothing ludicrous but stupid. Step in the scene, it's a movie. Me and the crew with the groupies. Got your girl cleaning out the house in the AMs, bumping moves. Let it burn langa goose. Kick game shining like a Ruche. Ooh. Kick game flex on Luke and ooh, doubling up on a Tuesday. Ooh, got more hoes than Cool J. Ooh, got more hoes than Cool J. Ooh, got more hoes than Cool J. Bitch, got more hoes than Cool J.
Late night shopping, my swag is dripping, 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 dripping. Late night shopping, my swag is dripping, 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 dripping. Swagger Nova off the season. I'm dripping, 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 dripping. Casa Nova for no reason. I'm dripping, 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 dripping. I do it for my city, I wanted to get it. Cover the steez, cover the fashion. Uptown Scotland and never been faking. Nigga, it's lit. I am the greatest. Shout out my diva, shout out my merchant. Keep levitating. Hasta la vista to all of my haters. I'm out here balling, nigga, it's lit. I'm out here with balling, cover the drip. City to city, they feel the vibe. They feel the vibe, feeling the drip. Sip Mary Jane on the tip of my lips. We getting high, light up the spliff. They feel the vibe, they feel the vibe, they feel the vibe, feeling the drip. My nigga is lit. Nash is the name, what? Uptown Scotland, nigga, I'm godly, we ain't the same, what? I'm out here with ballin', nigga, we ballin', we make it rain. What? I'm out here with ballin', nigga, we ballin', we make it rain. Yeah. Late night shopping, my swag is drippin', 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 drippin'. Late night shopping, my swag is drippin', drippin', it's drippin', drippin', drippin'. Casanova for no reason. I'm drippin', I'm drippin', I'm drippin', I'm drippin'. Casanova for no reason. I'm drippin'.